Hi friends, this is Chris with Josephine's Design. I am back with my two planners, and I am going to do a plan with you guys. So I think I am going to, let's see, so this was my mystery subscription kit from DEK. So I think I'm going to use that in here. And I think I started on this kit this week, and that was already in this particular planner. So I think I'm going to use that in here. So let's first work in the Ara Estelle, and I'm planning way ahead. You're going to be so proud of me trying to get ahead. Actually, what's really happened is my husband has needed to do some tax work, and I got all the prep done, and we have people that need it, and they're talking a lot about it. But anyways, long story short, my husband's out doing tax prep, so I get to have a few minutes with you guys, and I'm thrilled. So, and I have loved this week's. I have just so loved this week's planner. So, anyways, but I think with this next one, I think I'm going to go no white space. I know, because I have a lot of white space this week, and I have been loving it, but I'm going to go no white space, I think, for next week. I know. Hang with me. Okay, guys. Let me see here. Okay, there we go. All right. So, and I think I'm going to use this one here. And I'm super excited. So, these are the short, and I think these are the Ara Estelle, actually, in this kit. Dawn and I were talking, and I think she did switch it over to Ara Estelle. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing and go across the bottom with these because I loved it. It was so much fun. I really, really did. I didn't mind if it came up too far. It did not bother me at all. Whoops. So I am just going to build off the line right there, and then off the very bottom. So it doesn't have to be perfect. I'm just gonna do it. And now this one is called March Mystery because it was from the mystery subscription kit. And so the mystery subscription kit is, I don't know why in the world I never found it, but I just all of a sudden saw it. Hold on a second, guys. I've had like a froggy throat today. Hold on. I am working to get off of so many extra medications, and one of them is allergy pills. I have been taking allergy pills almost daily for years, and I'm just trying to change that. So forgive me. I'm sorry. Okay, if I sound froggy, but I'm really trying to get off as much of everything extra that I don't have to take. Some of our stress levels have changed, and some of the medication I took was for my autoimmune. And I'm not saying stress is gone. It's never gone, but I'm really trying not to have to use it. So anyway, so one of the things I decided when I was going to do that is I was also going to take off the list my allergy pills. And it's just Zyrtec. I mean, it's nothing major, but on days like this, I can tell maybe I need an allergy pill, but I'm only going to take as needed. And that's one of the things I'm working on. Plus, my body just has to readjust. It just has to readjust. So, alrighty. Now, I love the gold, rainbow, and leprechauns. That is too cute. Oh my goodness. Okay, here we go. So I think I'm going to put that here. But I hope you guys are having a great day. I was getting all my gardening seeds ready. And last night, my husband and I went to our, our local grocery store 3 towns over. It's a local chain. It's a Texas chain. And I got that not quite straight. And my husband went crazy and bought over 50 plant starts. And so he's putting in major gardens in the back of our property. And we have more gardens we're going to put in raised gardens. And then we're going to put a greenhouse in. And yeah, it's getting busy. So, but I am still here. God is talking to me about the amount of time I'm putting in on things, so I'm going to have to kind of pray that through. But I'm here, and I'm glad to be here. So, and especially when it comes to my DEK planning, because this is like 2 birds with 1 stone for me. I get to be with you guys, share, and then I also get my planning my planner's decorated. I do planning off camera. I don't do the actual planning with you guys because a lot of it is sensitive information with the estate and our personal. And so, yeah, I try to keep that, and work, work is work. We can't reveal everything, right? especially in some things that we do. So, okay, I love that. Now, I think I'm going to put a pinch here. Pinch proof. I think that's cute. Alrighty. So there's that. And last week I talked about putting something down the side, but I think for today I'm just going to leave it plain. I mean, I did pull some things out, but I just I don't know. I was thinking I might, but I think I'm just going to leave it. I really love these kits. I think they're beautiful, and I'm always really happy with them. So, okay, so for this week, I want to be sure that I get my menu planning up, and I think I'm going to put that down here because, let me see, there we go. Okay, now I'm going to look for my menu or meal sticker. Let me see. Usually there is one. I'm not sure if this one has it because this is new to me. This meals. There we go. And this is the Halo Gold. That's why it's so glittery. Isn't that great? I know. It's just wonderful. Oh, goodness gracious. Hold on, guys. Ay, ay, ay.